Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. If you peruse Facebook barbecue groups like I do, then you see it all the time. Hey, I want some crispy smoked wings. How do I do it? Well, today we're certainly going to produce some crispy smoked wings. However, we're going to figure out what's the crispiest you can get them. Using some things you don't normally find in your pantry, at least in an American pantry. So, without further ado, I have, I may have gone overboard, about 8 pounds of chicken wings here. My Yoder YS640S pellet grill is preheating to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So, let's get the smoking part done. We'll see you out there. All right, it's time to get it going with phase one, adding the smoke flavor. Let's get them in. All right, we're gonna give those about an hour. Then we're gonna pull them off, take them inside, and get to the experimental step. We'll see you in there. All right, now it's time for phase two. So the wings are off the smoker. Now we're gonna use a couple different things you probably don't normally find in your pantry and figure out which one gives us the crispier wings. What I have here is some tapioca flour or starch. Watched some videos, saw some people swear by it. I also know that a lot of people use sweet potato starch. So, here's the plan. We are going to take the flats and we are going to dredge them in the tapioca. We're going to take our drummies, we're going to dredge them in the sweet potato. And then we will bring a lovely judge in to determine which one is more crispy and does the smoke flavor transfer through. So we'll see you after I have these fried up and give you the answer. We'll see you then. Alrighty, before I bring our lovely judge in here, let me do a little bit of housekeeping. Full disclosure, went to a Billy Idol Joan Jett concert last night, so I'm running on half the sleep I normally do, so I forgot a few things. One thing is, worry not, dear friends, all of the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down below in the comments section. I don't think I skipped anything. If I did spritz all the wings with some avocado oil to make sure the starch stuck to them. Also, if you can't get enough of the Galley of the Sun, and I don't know how you could, then there's a lot of places you can check. You can check our Facebook page. You can check our Amazon storefront. Or you can check our Patreon page and become a patron. We would love that. All right, so let's bring in our lovely judge and figure out whether the tapioca or the sweet potato starch gives us crispier wings.
So I'm not sure which one is which, but we'll just try these. And I'm trying them unsauced so that I don't have the thing with the sauce going on.
Absolutely. I want to know, is there smoky flavor and which is the crispiest? I heard a crunch.
Smoky flavor.
Okay.
Definitely has a crunch. I like it. It's kind of like fried chicken.
All right.
Of course it is fried chicken. What am I talking about? But you know. I don't think there's really a difference. I can't, texture-wise, or the first bite for the first, crunch through, I can't really detect much of a difference.
All right, but they are both crispy.
Oh, very,
and smoky. All right, well, there you go. So my advice to you would be look up sweet potato starch, look up tapioca starch, and get the cheapest one, and use that for your breading. So I hope this helped you out. This is how you get your crispy smoked chicken wings. Until we see you next time, fair winds and falling seas.